Hey, it's still Kim. Today we'll learn how to arm wave. I'll start from right in your perspective. You can choose the side you feel comfortable with. First, we start with the finger, lift, lift, and then we move on to our wrist, lift, just like that, and then your elbow. Now, elbow is the hard part, so try to think like your arm is placed on a flat surface and your elbow is being lifted up. We now move on to the shoulder. Give a little pull, just like that. Feel comfortable. Now we connect these moves. Step 1, 2, 3, the elbow, 4, the shoulder. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move on to the other arm. We start from the shoulder this time. Shoulder. And then the elbow. Get used to this flat surface thing. The wrist. Now we're doing these steps in the opposite direction so that your wave can go back and forth. The finger, the last step. Take it easy. Just like that. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Combine them. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from the top, combine the right and left arm steps to form a wave. Just like that. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. By reversing these steps, you can make the wave go backwards, like that. Now, once you get used to this, you can even use your fingers to make the wave look more smooth. Try combining this with step 1. You can also pretend like your wave is following your finger. Also try to move your head as a part of your movement. Let me take off my hoodie to show you the moves more explicitly. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.